I am in Bern City, capital city of Switzerland. And this is river Aare. The old town of Bern was declared a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site in 1983. Bern is also the capital of Bern Canton and the second most populous city in Switzerland.
This is Einstein house.
This house is a museum and former residence of Albert Einstein. Opening hours Monday to Sunday 10 am to 5 pm. Entrance fee adults 7 Swiss franc, students and senior citizen 5 Swiss franc, youth 4 Swiss franc. This is old city of Bern and it is clock tower. It is one of the highlights of the old town of Bern. This tower built in the 13th century. It's a medieval structure. This great bell rings out every full hours. Traditional red tram on the streets of Bern. Bern tramways network is most important public transport system in this city since 1890. This is an opera house and theatre in Bern. The theatre opened in 1903. This is Bern Minster Cathedral Square. It is tallest cathedral in Switzerland. Height 101 meters. Construction started 1421 and opened 1893. Architectural style Gothic architecture. Most of the buildings are decorated by flowers tree. Local restaurant, bar and coffee shop area. This is Bern Old Town Local Market and it's a different types of vegetables and fruits shop. This is Indian restaurant Maharaja Palace. Now we are preparing for lunch. Food's quality so good and tasty. This is Swiss Parliament House, the Federal Assembly. It consists of two chambers, lower chamber the National Council and upper chamber the Council of States. This is Swiss National Bank. Common and popular name is Swiss Bank. Established 16 January 1906. This is Parliament Square weekly morning market. In this market you can find vegetables, fruits, flowers, flower plants, everything.